Hey, hello again, Mike from Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining us today. What you see behind me is Starcraft's EX20R. It's affordable, it's comfortable, and it's everything your family needs for their boating experience. Why don't you come on board, take a look at everything this boat has to offer. First thing you notice, we have the really nice woven teak vinyl in the black exterior, so it looks really nice. As you come through here, you see big, spacious seats to rest, relax while you're out here. Maybe read a book, any of those types of items. So nice space here for you guys. We come a little further back. It's one of my favorite layouts. So we have two captain's chairs lined up. So if it's just two people out on the boat with you, easy way to have a conversation. These are also upgraded high back helms. So even if you're a little taller, they really provide great support and comfort for everyone. We also feature Jensen's Bluetooth stereo system here. All the gauges that you could need. And we also offer the brand new power bimini. So super easy to use. Your bimini top's going to open with just a simple push of a button. We also have Starcraft's upgraded table here, very sturdy, very well made. And we finish off the back with the built-in gas tank, so your gas isn't exposed, and a stainless steel ladder to get you in and off the boat when you're having a good swim. So really complete package here. Anything you could look for in a pontoon boat. If you think that's good news, we got some other stuff for you. Safety packages included, free delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio included. We're going to teach you on the water to make sure you're safe and comfortable on this new boat. And we're going to handle all the titling and registration in-house. So if you think this is the boat for you, give us a call, 419-368-5951. Check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.